You've poured everything into building your brand, your products, your intellectual property. But what happens when someone on the other side of the world tries to ship counterfeit versions of your hard work across the border? That's where customs protection comes in. Think of it as the first line of defense for your IP. But how does it actually work? There are two main ways to use customs to protect your rights, and knowing the difference can save you a ton of time and money. Let's call them proactive protection and reactive protection. First up, proactive protection. This is the get ahead of the problem approach. Here's how it works. You register your trademarks, patents, or copyrights with the customs authorities ahead of time. It's like putting your brand on a VIP watch list. Once you're registered, customs officers will actively keep an eye out for anything that looks like it's infringing on your IP. If they spot a suspicious shipment, they will 1. Stop the shipment on their own initiative. 2. Notify you that they've found potential fakes. 3. Seize the goods and investigate once you give them the green light. This is by far the most powerful tool you have. Customs isn't just stopping the fakes. They have the authority to investigate and penalize the infringers directly. To get this level of protection, the first and most important step is to register your IP with the General Administration of Customs in China. Now, what if you haven't registered your IP? That brings us to the second method, reactive protection. This is the emergency approach. Let's say you get a tip that a specific shipment of counterfeit goods is about to leave or enter a port. You can rush to customs and ask them to seize those specific goods, but there are a few catches. First, you need a hefty security deposit. Unlike the proactive mode, you have to provide a bond that's equal to the total value of the goods they're seizing. There's no upper limit on this. Then the clock starts ticking. Customs will hold the goods, but they won't investigate for you. You are required to file a lawsuit in court very quickly. If you don't sue in time, customs has to release the shipment, and your chance is gone. So let's put them side by side. With proactive protection, you just need to complete a one-time registration. If customs flags a shipment, you typically just need to respond within 3 business days and provide no more than 100,000 RMB capped security bond. It's simple, low cost, and incredibly effective. With reactive protection, you have to find the infringing shipment yourself, pay a potentially massive security bond with no cap, and then immediately start an expensive court battle. The difficulty and cost are much higher. So, what's the best game plan for your business? The choice is clear. The proactive approach gives you the most bang for your buck with its low cost and high efficiency. Here's our recommendation. 1. Prioritize registration. Get your IP recorded with customs first. Think of it as unlocking a superpower for your brand at the border. 2. Monitor actively. Keep an eye out for potential infringements online and offline so you can spot clues. 3. Combine both. Rely on your registration for everyday powerful protection, but keep the reactive emergency option in your back pocket just in case. Registration is your long-term strategy. An emergency seizure is your last resort. Navigating the customs registration process can feel like a maze, but you don't have to do it alone. The right team can make it a smooth and straightforward process. Want to learn how to build a defense that achieves zero clearance for counterfeit goods? Follow us, send a message, and let's create a custom protection plan for your brand.